The Great Barrier Reef is the size of 70 million football fields and a critical habitat for a quarter of all marine life on the planet.
Coral reefs are really the powerhouse of biodiversity in our oceans. They're a really important and complex ecosystem that is really the foundation for healthy oceans.
It's that circular balance that we have with nature. We are them and they are us.
So if we lose coral reefs, it is a domino effect of ecosystem failure.
We don't have any time to waste. We need to come together, work in partnership, both here and globally, to protect coral reefs.
The partnership with L'Oreal is going to remove critical roadblocks to scale. But for them to lean into what's happening with the Great Barrier Reef and ask how they can make a difference, it represents a game changer for us in this critical decade.
The reef is facing pretty big challenges, and it's not a job anyone can do alone.
I think it's a time in this country where we can move forward together.
And that's what's really exciting about the work that's being done in Australia and about the partnerships that we're forging with companies like L'Oreal.